Welcome to Law Family. We are going to make the small videos to give knowledge to fresh new law students and newly practicing young advocates. This video is helpful for the young advocates and new law students only. Today we discuss about the section 118 and 2 of BNS. The key considerations for acquittals. One is nature of injury. Second, circumstances of the incident. And third is evidence of intent. And finally, fourth is use of a dangerous weapon. Non-bailable, cognizable, trialable by magistrate. Finally, a medical report is crucial in determining the nature and the extent of the injury, which helps the court to assess the severity of the offense and to decide on the appropriate punishment.
Welcome, sir. We will briefly discuss about the section 1181. This is IPC section 324. The object of this section is to make simple hurt more grave and liable to a more severe punishment where it has the differentia of one of the modes, that is voluntarily, weapon, likely to cause death, poison, corrosive substance, animal. Proving of evidence. Point 1. That the accused caused by his act bodily pain, disease, or infirmity to the complainant. Point 2. That he did such act intentionally, important, intentionally word, or with a knowledge that it would cause the hurt, etc. Point 3. That it was unprovoked. Point 4. That the accused caused it by means of an instrument for shooting, stabbing, or cutting, or by an instrument which used as a weapon is likely to cause death, or by means of fire, etc., or by means of poison, etc., or by means of any substance which it is deleterious to the human body to inhale, etc., or by means of any animal, where the accused has caused hurt in exercise of the right of private defense, the burden is on him to show that he had such right. Section 1 is punishable 3 years, fine of 20,000 rupees, and both. Section 2 is punishable life imprisonment or 10 years and fine. If the prosecution fails to prove the accused's guilt beyond a reasonable doubt, particularly if there is insufficient evidence of the accused's intent or the use of dangerous weapon, if the evidence is inconsistent or contradictory, or if the accused action were deemed to be accident or not intended to cause hurt, if the prosecution cannot convincingly demonstrate that he accused voluntarily caused hurt using a dangerous weapon, the accused may be acquitted. Lack of intent. The prosecution must prove that the accused had the necessary intent to cause hurt. If the injury was an accident or result of a mistake, the accused may be acquitted. Inconsistent testimony. If witness provide contradictory statements, prosecution evidence is inconsistent, the court may find prosecution case weak and acquit the accused. Benefit of doubt. evidence is ambiguous or inconclusive, the court may give the benefit of the doubt to the accused and acquit him. Mistake infliction of injury. If the accused accidentally inflicted an injury, especially if the evidence suggests no malicious intent, most important word, no malicious intent. This is the section 118 explains briefly by us. Thank you, sir.